rain lilies. They grow from bulbs, and today I got this from a friend of mine, and I already have some pots. They were flowering very well during the rainy season, and now it's time to repot them and also cut and prune them. And I'm going to repot these bulbs as well, so I'm going to show you how I do it, and I thought of doing a video about it. So rain lilies grow from the bulbs, and they do love the sunlight, so you can keep them in a sunshiny area, no problem, because these flowers will bloom very well in the sunlight. So now I'm going to clean this pot first thing on the surface of the pot, right? And I'm going to cut this out. And remove all these dried leaves from the pot. So this one is already okay, it's clean. In this pot also I'm going to cut all these top leaves where they are drying from. So after flowering you can do this, so that the plant is refreshed and ready for blooms, right? And clean the top surface as well. So now talking about the soil, this is the soil that I have arranged for the rain lilies. Rain lilies doesn't love the dry soil, they prefer the moisture soil. So here I have taken 1/3 of garden soil, 1/3 of compost mixed with sand. So now when I'm going to put them in a grow bag. Even these rain lilies, I'm going to cut the leaves from the top and put the bulbs in. This shawl I got from online, it's very useful. Keep them in a partial sunlight area until they get used to the sunlight. But these plants are already in the pot and they were in sunlight area, no problem. They were flowering well. So now this plant I'm going to keep in a partial sunlight area for the moment. And I'll do update video of the flowers as well. So talking about watering. So they do prefer the, as I said earlier, moisture balance of the soil. So you can water when the top layer of the soil is dry. So that's it about repotting of these rain lily plants. Hope you enjoyed watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new. Like, share and comment below how you felt about the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.